Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the notification that has come out from the Delhi University for the UG and PG, along with that MPhil and PhD admission for the year 2021 and 2022. So in this video we are going to discuss about the DUET, that is Delhi University Entrance Test notification for 2021, last date of applications. So this is going to be a short video, so you make sure you watch this video till the end so that you will have a idea and you will get the information regarding this Delhi University admission for the year 2021-2022. So before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We are making the videos related to different PhD, UG and PG admissions in different universities in India and abroad. So if you like this video, then please press the like button and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also please join our Telegram channel so that you will get all latest notification from different universities in India and abroad. So let's begin. So as you can see, we are into the official website of this DU, that is Delhi University. So this is the short notification, it is admission for the academic session 2021-2022. So let us zoom this video little bit so that you will check this correctly. Alright, so here you can see the Delhi University is as always admired being a leading institution in knowledge creation, research. Okay, so there the admission branch announced the commencement of the admission for the year academic 2021-2022. It invites candidates desirous of taking admission to the University of Delhi by registering themselves on the DU portal, that is du.ac.in, that is www.du.ac.in, as per the following schedule. So this is going to be the schedule for the postgraduate program. The date will start from 26th July and the date will end on 21st August. You need to check this date properly. For the MPhil and PhD program, the application will start from same, that is 26th July, and the application will end on 21st August. For the undergraduate program, it will start later, that is from 2nd August 2021, and it will also end little extended, that is 31st August 2021. So if you are applying for this postgraduate program along with PhD or MPhil program, you need to keep this a note so that you will be in a perfect position to apply. Considering the challenges emerging last year due to COVID pandemic, this year the benefit of students of the university has decided to retain the eligibility criteria at last year. So whatever be the eligibility for the last year, it will continue as same. University has also decided that there will be no changes in the registration fee for the merit based on the entrance based admissions, and centralized PG admissions will be done through online application form. Okay, so there will be no changes in the registration fees, so no process in the registration or selection process. All the candidates applying for MPhil or PhD program will have to fill a common registration form. There will be a common registration form, so no separate registration form needed to fill. In no case the registration fee will be refunded. So as you know that NTA is conducting the Delhi University Entrance Test, that is DUET. So this year also it will continue to conduct the same for all postgraduate programs. Selected undergraduate programs and MPhil and PhD programs will be conducted by this National Testing Agency, that is NTA. So dates will be announced soon. So the dates for the NTA examinations, that is the DUET examination, is not yet announced. So once it will be announced, we will try to put it in our social media handles. So please join our social media handles so that you'll get the notification regarding this. So the non-NET candidates who are desirous of seeking admission to the PhD and MPhil programs have to appear the DUET 2021. Okay, so this is the thing. So the test will be through online, that is computer based. So online or offline it is not yet mentioned, but it will be through computer based mode. So this year the Delhi University is planning to increase the testing centers for the DUET. Okay, so let's see what are the other details given. So admissions under the undergraduate based programs will be based on the cutoffs as per the past year's practice. So you all know that there will be a cutoff mark for the undergraduate programs like all the bachelor's programs. So like that only this process will also continue. So the admission branch is working with the principals of colleges on the modalities for deciding the cutoffs, so to avoid any under admissions. So it will constantly looking the cutoff marks so that no under admissions will be there. Okay, so the admission branch is planning to organize various webinars or portals, tutorial portals, videos to help the candidates through the admission process. Announcement of these webinars will be published on the university time to time. In addition to that, computer based help desk will be also there, and the chatbots will be also there. Emails and 24/7 will be available for any queries. So it is for the help to the admission. It is help for the students who are getting admission. Okay, so what is the highlight of this press release? It has just come out on 17th July. You can check. A new website dedicated for the easy access of the information, it is going to announce, and the admission branches announces the commencement of admission for the year 2020-2022. Important dates I have already discussed here. So all the cutoffs will be decided once the application is over. So details things are there. No registration fee will be refunded. Alright, the DUET exam dates will be soon announced. It is not yet announced. So like this. So this is the notification. This is a very short notification for the admission academic year 2021-2022. So I hope you like this video, and this information is going to help you if you are going to take admission in the DU. Please comment below if you have any queries regarding this, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also join our Telegram channel and all our social media handles so that you will get all the notifications regarding this DU also. Any further notifications we will also try to make a video or put it in our social media handles. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.